UGC Act is too bad because in each and every act, ST, SC, and OBC, that castes are getting all facilities and general are not getting all facilities. So that is too bad.
I would like to counter him. Okay, give first your opinion one by one. Yes, yes.
So, in my point of view, I think that UGC it's very bad because if you see, so it's a casted what do you call discrimination. So, if we see there is a student of SC, OBC, and ST, if he is not doing hard work, but he is not getting means he is getting 20% marks from 100, so still he can pass. But if you talk about general, if he is doing hard work and he is getting 80 out of 100, still he will not pass because it is about UGC Act.
Okay, next. Yes, Bhavna.
Okay. So from my perspective, I really think that UGC Act is not beneficial for us because for a developed country we need equality. And for equality, what is government is doing? What government is doing? They are doing discrimination among caste. What is happening? SC, ST and OBC people are different and general people are different. How can they do this work? You know, there are many of these students, they are preparing for their jobs, for government jobs. That's great, they are preparing, but they are also doing hard work than SC people. So we should also give them chance, but what government is doing, they are giving chance more than general people. So I think so that's not great, and it must not be here.
Anushka.
So in my estimation, UGC Act 2026 is good because of that they have seen so many cases before that. In last year we have seen that 1160 cases had happened with that students. It's a reality. That's the reason UGC Act, they take the action against those things, that they made the rule of OBC and SC, ST office, all that caste. They don't, if they face any discrimination between that caste, so they can file case against them. And because before we have that rule in 2012 that they can also file the case, but there is no punishment if there is fake case. But they have the fairness. They were scared just because of that. If it would be that they will say that it's fake, so they will take action against me. So I will not file the case just because of that. They did not used to file that case. And after that they made in 2026 they had modified that rule, so that they made that new rule. By that they can also take they can file that case against those person, those are abashing and doing those discrimination between them, so they can also file a case against them. So that's the reason it's good.
Next. Question.
So in my vision, of course, UGC Act is not good because as we all know that because of reservation we are facing a lot of issues and a lot of problems. Like we can see that we can have the example of women empowerment. Now the people, they are misusing these kind of things. So if we'll UCC Act, if we'll support that, so of course we'll not get the chance. Like we are not giving the chance to general people, by which they are doing the Harvard with all their might, but still they are not getting the chance. So that is very bad. And because of this, if we'll allow this kind of rules and we'll make this kind of acts, so by which the general people, they are really offended by these kind of things, and they face a lot of problems because the teachers, whenever they apply these kind of acts, so teachers and students, they also face some kind of problems.
Okay, as far as I know, the UGC Act is too good, because if you know that, if you see the UGC file which has declared before 1 and 2 days, so it has written that the case of discrimination between SC, ST, OBC, so it has increased 118.4%. So that's why we had to took this step. That's why we took, and it is too good. because it
We
was
have some
happened.
examples we can see in our colleges and all. Like we are not discriminate this kind of, as we are doing this kind of act. Is it not beneficial for us because we know the things? Like, do we really compare the things like this as we are showing this? Of course not. We are not doing this kind of thing, and because of these kind of thing we are discriminating. This is the thing we are taking, that by which we are not getting discrimination. These are the things by which we are discriminating the others. Why? Because everyone, they are getting the chance to SC, OBC and ST. Why? They are not, there is no general people. Why they are discriminating them? Why they are not giving chance to them too? Are they not human? They also, they need also some rights.
The rule is for discrimination, not for your reservation, I think. Okay, so the rule is for discrimination. Because of discrimination which happened a lot, as I told you, if you see the UGC file, it has written that the case is increased. That's why we need this step, and we took, and we have to focus, and because of that we are organizing lots of like equity squads. I'm embarrassed. Because of that we can focus on colleges and university and schools, by which we can get to know that who is doing discrimination between our university or not. So
We
it's
all know about the verification of our government. Like we have given the chance to women. Like if I talk about, I have an example of women empowerment. So whenever they like, now we have given that much opportunity to women. If they are blaming someone, even it is wrong too, even they will not that much do verification, and they just do like punish the person, the boy and all. Is this good? Really not good. And because of these kind of things, we are humiliating the people, and we are making the people dumb. So these kind of acts, by these kind of acts, we are discriminating. Not, this is not the way to
okay, as I
equality.
recently told you, because of that we made some groups, the community in university.
Why they in, okay, as you are talking, we made some
wants to counter.
As you have talked about that it's bad, I do not consider it that's bad. University grant commission, they are saying it's just for discrimination. It's not for separating the university and something. They are uniting the what we call university. Why? As you guys have set in your mind that because of that OBC and SC they'll get some different powers. Not, they have implemented to show that those students are being bullied by those students. That's why they have implemented, to show that they're also human. You guys are saying that general, are they not human? Are not OBC and SC ST are not the human? To show them that yeah, they are also part of this university, this world. That's why they have implemented, and to unite them they have implemented this rule.
Okay. Who would like to counter? I'd like to counter. Om.
So as she talked about that, it is for uniting. So in my point of view, it is for separating. Because do you know, if government really want to unite them, so at the time they can have they can have like different kinds of colleges, just like another for OBC and another for ST and ST. But are you really crazy? Are they gonna make really separate colleges for OBC, ST and SC? But do you know, if they don't make these kind of colleges at a time, these things are gonna happen. That's why if you want to make them make these kind of colleges, so definitely it means that you want to separate those castes. Yeah, but do you know, for if you go in universities and colleges at a time, you're gonna see that this is happening a lot. And you know, colleges students are not dumb. They are not dense. They are not kids. They have that mind, and they are not gonna what we call bully those students. They need to understand and be educated in that thing, that they do not need to bully them. And they are showing that OBC, SC, they are also part of this university. You know, that's why they have implemented that if you say them something, so they can also fire a case against you. More than 41% of people, they are just getting that just only because of bullying, that they are those who are of definitely classes, that's why they have implemented this. But this is not good, because do you know, so many now the real discrimination will happen, because do you know, they are just separating everyone. You have said that they will misuse this rule and something else. That's why you think that. Okay, so you think that they will misuse this rule and the discrimination will happen? No, they will unite. But do you know, for uniting them, so you would also need a different kind of rule. Which kind of rule may you elaborate it? UGC is the worst rule, because do you know, in UGC rule you are going to find so many different, you are going to find that how to do discrimination between ST, OBC and so many people. So as you're talking about uniting country, so what about that? You know that India is a democratic country. Here I didn't talk about country. So what you are telling that if you have to unite them, na? Yeah. So
you know that India is a democratic country. So here we have to prefer them like a equal. So why are they not preferring what we call treating?
We
them
have
equal?
to treat them equal. That's why they have implemented this rule, man. They were showing them that you are not a part of this university. That's why they have implemented that if somebody says you, so you can also fire a case against you. That's why they have given us some powers to them that yeah, you are also part of that university.
But it's not about case.
It's about
casing. I'm talking about that if there is a person who's doing hard work for success, but they are not allowing him.
You know that's a no. It's not included in UGS. It's different and
also-
reservation is different.
You don't have knowledge about
UGC,
that.
yeah.
It's also included.
No, it's not. It's reservation, and we guys are talking about discrimination between castes,
So
OBC
it's
and
also
general.
it's also about caste discrimination.
Sit down.
Okay, good.
You say.
Tapasya.
Okay, so as bro you said that it is not about the reservation as you talked about it. It's just a new rule which is given by the UGC, University Grants Commission, just to stop being caste discrimination among the color too. And in the college it happens every day, because if I talk about it, in 2016 Rohit Vemula, he was just a SC student and he just got killed just because he was a SC student. Many students, they used to humiliate her, but why are you sitting with us? They used to say this line. Can you imagine if a SC student come into a class and if you say the same line to him, will he not get offended that am I SC and that's the reason he's behaving with me as like it?
So do you know I am from journal, and now whenever I think about UGC Act, so I think that now my future will be spoiled because I want to become a government doctor, and now whenever I think about my future, so at the time I feel very shame that now will I be able to become a doctor?
Bro, it's not about the reservation. It's a new rule. Just stop the caste discrimination, which has in the classical time many people, they used to oppress the SC and OBC, and now it's a their time, and the government, they have taken a very good rule which is just to stop the discrimination, and which is very good. We have so many examples. Just because of the discrimination, many students, they got suicide in the campus. And
Government says that
college.
everyone is equal for me, but do you know what happens? That there are journal are also people, but they don't consider them as a people. But, do you know if any kind of any like ST OBC, if these people they say to government that they are saying me this at a time, they can be directly arrested. But what about journal people? The government is not thinking about journal people. Is this your government?
No, it's not about the government. If I talk about the people, how they used to oppress in the classical time, and it's just about it's just a simple rule. If a person bully SC/ST people, so they can file against report. That's simple.
Before only one caste used to attack on three castes, but now three castes will attack on one caste, that is journal.
No, it doesn't happen. Okay, just talk about the case which happened in the previous year.
What
I
happened?
have so many names. Rohit Vemula and Payal Tanwar. They got suicide just because of discrimination. Just talk about this.
But you are talking about past, but let's talk about future. In future, so many more than 40,000 cases will happen.
No, this happen. Okay, if I talk about the government data, many students, 30,892 students, they got died just because so many reasons. And if I talk about the two main reasons, just because of discrimination and the second, the depression. It just because of the UGC Act, they have implemented agency squad, that will monitor to every student that if they are not getting bullied in their college and campus, which is very good.
I am also a human. I want to become a government doctor. What about me? UGC Act is
It's
not
not about becoming a doctor.
There
it's about
are so
the
many people. They are from journal and they want to become a government doctor and government officer,
Oh,
but they want to be able to
it's not
become
about the
just only because of University
you want to-
Grants Commission.
So first I want to give my opinion. So the UGC Act is not good because I think instead of demolishing casteism, our government is promoting casteism by doing this, and by taking this decision, I think general category, the people who belong to general category will think that our government is supporting only SC, ST and OBC categories, because the UGC, if we talk about UGC Act, in this act there is a special commission in every college who will talk on the favor of SC, STs, OBC, PWD and for women, but there is no person who will talk from the favor of general categories. So definitely it will make general people jealous of them, and it will create personal riots in our country.
Mike, give him mic. There were two mics.
As you talk about stand up. as you talk about there is no rule for general. So tell me, in women there is only SC, ST, OBC women, and I talk about racism. In racism there is only a black person in OBC, ST, SC. There is a general also.
Yeah.
And you talk and there is a birthplace and some like that. Some people comes from.
Not racism.
It's a rule. It's not rule about the OBC, ST, SC. There are so much rule in this. If I talk about birthplace, some people come from the northeast. They will poke him. So there is also OBC, ST, SC. There is also general, and there is a person with disabilities. Only ST, SC, OBC are a person with disabilities. General also. So why you pointing that OBC, ST, SC favoring?
Okay, so because like women can be from general category as well, but they are women. What about the men who are not with any kind of disabilities? What about those men who are properly fit and fine? And have an example of a teacher who is from a general category and a student who is from SC, ST or OBC category. If a student gets failed in any exam and he for showing his anger, he blame or put a fake allegation on his teacher that he called me from my caste. He said me like, if we can take example of any caste, and he applied fake allegation on teacher and the teacher gets arrested. And what about it?
There is
If there is a power, so there are so many other people who will misuse that power. If you wanna, you should instead. I have said that instead of demolishing casteism, our government is promoting casteism. We should not do that. We should make everybody equal in our country. Now, they have made SC, ST caste or like more superior than general categories. Now, they will misuse their power definitely.
In a university and college, there is a rule for bullying. If you bullying someone, you will rusticate from the college.
But
listen to
how
me.
is it related
Listen
that
to me.
only a SC or
Listen
ST
to
cards
me. Listen to
member
me.
can be-
Listen to me.
First, let me complete.
Listen to me. I complete
Okay,
now.
you complete.
If a person don't bully a person, if I are jealous of her, and I just allegation her just she is bullying me, so college remove the rule because of it. You understand? There is a bullying. There is a bullying.
Ragging you are talking about.
Ragging, yeah. There is a ragging. So if you like thinking like that, tomorrow will be someone ragging me, this rule will be finished like that. You think about that. You think in future, not in present.
I'm not.
You not understand.
Okay. Amit.
Okay.
Amit.
So he's meaning to say that is the UGC Act. It is not only for the caste. It is also for the body shaming. The people they are doing. It is also for the EWTC. The people are those what do you call paralyzed or this kind of disabled. It is also for them also. It is not about caste and you are taking the wrong way. They are like it is very wrong. I don't think so. It is wrong. Why? Because there are lots of rules in that which is are right because people are doing color discrimination, body shaming, this type of stuff. For removing this kind of
But
thoughts
a
from their
person
mind.
from general category, but
let me complete.
I'm
first.
not here
I will
to
give
let
you
you
time.
complete.
I will give you time. I will give you time. I will give you time.
If a person is from general category and he could also be black, what about that person?
So it's
Nobody is
not
there
about
for.
only general category. You are getting in the wrong way. It is not about only caste. There are
How is it
also
not about
other
only
terms in
caste?
that, which I told you.
You haven't told us anything.
I have told you.
You have
the
just
body
said right
shaming
now.
also in that. It is not
Okay,
about
complete your
caste.
sentence.
Okay, it is also about the body shaming, disabled person about that. Those are teasing them by saying this kind of stuff. It's also about the color. People are nowadays they are misusing this kind of stuff. If you are black, so they just taunt you, they just teach you by saying you have a fade color, this kind of stuff.
But I don't
For
think that
stopping
this is
kind of
the
stuff-
way to make everybody equal. But because our government has made SC, ST caste or PWD caste or women's more superior
Why
than
are
general
you going
caste.
only in the wrong way? The only talking about the caste.
Why do you think that only your point of view is always correct?
It's because it is correct.
No,
Now let me
not
tell you,
always.
for stopping this kind of body shaming, we have to take any kind of decision.
For
And
stopping
they are
any body
doing that.
shaming, you will say that now fat bodies are very beautiful and the people who are very lean
But
are very
people-
bad.
People are not doing that. Now for stopping people,
Yeah, our government is doing
that's
that.
why government is doing that.
Yeah,
And
why-
that's a very good step. I think that.
We must make everybody equal. Now we should not give one person.
How will you make a disabled person equal? Tell me.
Why
By
cannot-
giving
I
some
do not
special
think that
rights?
any person in our
By
college
giving
say
that person some
undisabled
special
person.
rights?
I do not think that any person taunts a disabled person. If anybody is blind, nobody says him like "tum andhe ho" or something like this.
Bro,
Nobody says it.
Don't you watch Instagram comments?
I
Even though
don't know.
nowadays there is a roasting things are going on. If you talk about in the real life,
Do
they
you
do
go
a lot.
college on your Instagram? Or do you go to college in physical?
People are going for enjoyment also, and they do this kind of stuff.
you are
also.
going for enjoyment, I
changing the
don't-
mentality, they are doing this kind of stuff.
If you are
also.
going for enjoyment, you cannot say that everybody is going
It's
college
not
for
about
their
only me, it's
enjoyment.
about the people.
No, how do you
No,
know
the
that
students.
everybody's perspective
All are
is
not-
same as your perspective?
Let me tell you, they don't have they don't have same mentality.
Okay,
Some of people are
Kosya
that.
also wants.
Okay, as you are mentioning that if that act is very good, so why they are not giving chance? Like if they are making community, so why they are giving the chance only ST, OBC, and SC? Why they are not getting the chance to general people too? They in the community for the verification they must have the chance to give the verification, like clarify the things. Why they are not giving the
Okay,
chance?
so let me tell you about
If you if you don't want to discriminate other, so of course you should give the chance to general people to verification. Why we are not giving the chance to
Let me
them?
tell you. So why these kind of rules are going on? That like in the college at all, what they do, they bully others caste while saying that you are from the Chamar, you are from this, and your grandfather used to do this kind of stuff for our grandfathers. They used to be a bootlicker for our grandfathers. For saving this kind of words, they used to say with this word also, they used to use this kind of sentences at all, which is very bad and which can be create a trauma for us normal person. So that's why stopping this kind of stuff they are doing that.
See, the thing is that we are making the our people like dumb and weak, because now whenever we don't give these kind of acts, or we will not allow these kind of acts, so of course we know that how we have to react and how we have to how we have to save ourselves. Okay, we know how to react and how to reply, but because of these kind of acts, we are giving chance to others to humiliate, to do the
Because of this
discrimination.
kind of acts are stopping others to humiliate us. They can't, if they do, so they will be punished by this kind of
Even they
condition.
are misusing. Now we can see the condition, because of so many acts we have accomplished so many acts, and because of that we are misusing a lot
Who's
of acts.
misusing? It's recently
Everyone
got
is
passed and
using.
nobody
We
has
can see the
misused it. There is no
we can see the
single case.
condition of women empowerment rule. Now the girls, they are misusing that. They can elegant any boy easily, very easily, and even that our government did never
First of all, women
do
empowerment is a
verification.
different part of
Okay,
it. It is
and let me talk about, if I talk about reservation, the people, even they are not belong to that category, still they are making the fake certificate, and after that they are getting reservation. Is this very good? Of course not.
First of all, we are not talking about reservation. We are not
I'm
talking about
giving the
feminism at all.
examples.
We are talking about the UCC Act. So talk about that.
So
You are
I
going
am
out of the
just
topic.
giving the example. Like because of this
Okay,
act, we can
now
also.
Abdul wants to give his point. Abdul.
So what do I think that UGC Act is very good, because it is not only targeting caste, it is targeting those kind of things like race, sex, and these kind of things too. There is a person, if he is from general, he'll also be, if he is black, he'll also be targeted in that point. Whether he is from general, whether he is from SC, he'll be targeted if he is black. So it is not only about caste, it is also about colors at all.
Okay, Tapasya.
Okay, so as far as I know about if I talk about the UGC Act, it only believes that a SC student, they can discriminate and bully by the only journalist student. What will happen if a journalist student they discriminate a SC? What will happen if a SC student they discriminate a journalist student?
I tell you that if SC and ST they discriminate these kind of things, so their complaint can also be filed.
No, there is no complaint. If I
There is
talk
no
about the
UGC
journal,
Act.
no.
Let
If
me
I
tell
talk
you,
about the
there is
journal,
not
there
UGC
is
Act for
there is
journal.
no report.
Let me tell you, there is not only UGC Act. There are a lot of acts which can, by that the journal can file any kind of complaint.
No, if I talk about this rule, if I amend this rule on the basis of the discrimination, nobody will listen of the journal people. They will not listen. They will only care about the SC people. And if I talk about the misusing the power, I just want to give an example. In the previous year, people they misuse the Agrotic Act, and they misuse this act, and so many people. If I talk about if a person Vishnu Tiwari, he had to leave in a jail just because of a SC person. He just said that he discriminated me, and he just applied the Agrotic Act. Just you can imagine how the dangerous it is.
There is a whole team in the UGC Act. There is not only a person who is running the UGC Act. There is a community, so that investigation will be done, then the case will be filed. not the direct.
I know about it. There is a
Why
whole
they-
squad. But I'm just talking about the journal people because nobody is listening to them. They are just talking about the SC/ST people. Just talk about the journal too.
There are a lot of acts by which we can.
Bhavna also wants to.
There is no act for the journal.
Okay. So as you are talking about color and all, and he was also mentioning a point. He also mentioned a point about color and also. Let me clear you one thing. There are many of the people. It has not written anywhere that only SC/ST and OBC people are black. General people can also be black, and they can also do discrimination with them. It can be also happen.
So what did I say? I said the same thing. It is a rule for whole. It is a rule for all castes.
No,
that if you are black,
it is-
let me tell you, general can also be black. So there is a rule for general too. What did I say? Did you even listen properly?
Do you know
no,
about
you didn't.
UGC Act? Do you know?
Yeah, I know.
It is only for SC/ST and OBC.
There are a lot of. There is not only a particular act. There are a lot of acts for.
Tell me the name of that one act.
Amit Shah.
Okay. Maybe you do not studied about the UGC file. Okay. If you see the UGC in which there is written that we cannot discrimination between gender, color, okay, and caste, religion. So it has already written that we cannot be judged by color. So it doesn't matter you are from general and you are from SC and OBC. If I am doing discrimination with you, that if you are from general and you are black, if I am saying that you are black, so you can complain on me. Why you can complain to our equality community, then they can file on me and I will be arrested.
Brother,
My girl will be-
here we are not joking. Here we are doing debate.
I am doing debate.
Listen,
You have knowledge.
are
You
joking
have
on-
knowledge.
This facility is only for these kind of facilities.
Maybe you haven't studied.
I have studied
whole
about
thing.
it. What the rubbish you are talking about? You are
But
talking.
I was-
Listen, you are only
You tell.
talking about
Tell.
general people. There are also SC, ST, and OBC, SC, ST, and OBC people. You know, they are also. They can file against. They can file. They can file case against the general people easily.
But in
If-
the behalf of caste, not color.
Listen,
In
if
the
you
behalf of
give
caste.
any facilities to someone more than enough, of course they are gonna be
Sister, you are only talking about caste. If you talk about color, if you talk about birthplace, there are a lot of rules for birthplace, caste, and color too. No, color too. There is not only up. UGC is not particular. UGC is not for particular only for caste. It is also for color. It is also for gender. It is also for birthplace.
Okay, suppose I am SC and you are general. We both are fighting, and then you get angry. Then I will file a case against you. So what will you do on that time?
Here you are talking about
You
caste.
don't have any kind of guts to say, because you don't
If
have.
you beat me, I'll get injury. I'll get injury too. So by that I can show that.
Okay, have a sit. Lovely. Let's have a lovely.
Okay, suppose if I give you any weapon and I allow you to use that, so of course why not, this is a simple way to use your weapons and you can kill anyone. So it's also similar in the UGC Act. If I allow you to have fake evidence and if you have any fake justification in your statement, so of course why not, you can misuse that. Because in the college most of the time it happens, because there are many of the societies which are divided into different types of categories. So it happens in the college most of the time. And if I talk about misusing, I have talked about, and it's also about discrimination among the castes, and as everyone has said, and aggression too. If I am a journal and I do not have any right to file a case against those all people who are having fake evidence, so of course why not, I will have aggression, and it is not good for our generation. That's all.
One more thing I just want to say, when you feel anything, when you feel from your heart, that then you get to know what that person is feeling.
Yeah.
When there was no any kind of rule for OBC and SC and ST, general was so quiet. Now they have implemented the rule against general,
I
so
think
they
this-
have gotten
Mr.
agree that they have given the powers some powerful powers
Okay.
on OBC and SC.
In your first line, you said about it is for making everyone unite. It's not
Yeah.
about making everyone unite. It's about separating everyone, as Ahmed had spoken. Because
How?
everyone was
Elaborate
not,
it.
no one had rised. You know, no one had awoken about this UGC. When it arrived, then everyone is talking
When
about
we
it.
guys got
because it's about discrimination. bro.
When we guys got aware when this rule has implemented,
Yes.
did you know before that OBC and SC and ST were bullied
Of
by
course I
general? You knew that. How do
Yeah.
you knew that?
What if it happens with a journal, as everyone has
How?
spoken?
How? It doesn't happen. That's why they have implemented.
How cannot-
Wait, the point has mentioned by Sir before some days
Yes.
that when you see in the parliament, most of the people they are from general. Why? Because most of the people they do not take lightly OBC and SC and ST.
Who said
Everyone. That's why they have implemented it. You have said that it's not for united. It's
So,
to discriminate. To elaborate
Yes, yes.
how will it discriminate them?
So as far as we all know about in our constitution, as everyone has says, it's about making everyone equal.
Yeah.
If you do not make everyone equal, it's about right to freedom. As I had yesterday given a point about right to freedom. Article 15 says that if you discriminate anyone and if it's about race and anything else, so journals can also be discriminated by them. So this is the insult of our constitution.
How the OBC can what we call inside general, because we have given them a power that general are so good. That's the reality.
If you give them powers, then
We
of
do
course
not
they
give.
are
They
going to
have.
misuse that.
How
If
we
you
didn't
give
give any
them
kind of power to them.
Suppose in the academy, if I have any power to bully and shame anyone, so of course why not I have right and I have power to discriminate and anything.
That's why they have implement, ma'am. That's why they have implement now.
You are going in a different way. It's
I'm
not
on the path.
appropriate way. It's not appropriate way to discriminate and doing the such things. If you have any personal grudges from anyone, it can be possible.
If people think that you are powerful and
Yeah.
they think that I'm from that caste
Yeah.
and I'm unable
Why
to do
do you
anything.
want-
Wait, I'm unable to do anything. So definitely they will find something to give me that yes, that girl and that caste doesn't have anything. So they will definitely give me some powers by which you can also aware that yeah, they have also power. They can be equal to us.
Okay, Miss Pratigya, could you tell me why do you need power? If you are SC
Because
and
they
ST,
feel
why
if
do
you wait, if,
Yeah.
okay, just have an example of this academy. If some people they feel like these people do not, they take me lightly. They think
Yeah.
that I'm nothing in front of them.
Anushka
Of course,
also
they
wants
need powers.
Anushka.
As she has talked about that they made that rule before that you don't know that OBC and ST they face the discrimination between. There was a rule in 2012 they have made the rule that against who are from that OBC and ST they can file against that if they face any caste discrimination they can file a case against that those who are.
There was rule that they could file a case. So why the Rohit he got die? Why the Payal she got die?
As you are talking about Rohit, he was not from the SC and ST card. He
Acha.
was an OBC
Okay,
card.
wow.
He was from that OBC card. If you see that all that file.
Whatever, he was from OBC caste and he was being bullied by general.
But just because of that, they are misusing the SC and ST card.
Who misused? Do you have any black and white? Who
I
misused?
will tell you. Let me listen. First listen, then you will get to know.
Yeah.
Just because of the SC and ST, they are giving more priority to SC and ST, OBC.
We have said if we have give more power, so they will misuse. Who misused, ma'am?
They create a fake certificate, caste certificate, and then they say that it's a real caste certificate. And
This is discrimination. This is discrimination.
It's a discrimination. Just because of that, they face that caste discrimination. If they don't, there is no any rule of that caste and SC and ST.
Okay,
So they will
let
not
me tell you, you are talking about how will they misuse this such kind of power. Everyone can have, you can say fake statement. Personal grudges everyone has in the college. If I talk about, if it's about a caste.
We guys think if
caste.
OBC has said that general, he said me this, so the police will arrest him. It's not like that. It's just a statement. There will be
assembly.
There will be some black and white. There will be the community and some students as well.
There will be assembly. As far as I know, there will be assembly. There will be some people OBC and ST and
ST.
Yeah, these all guys will be sitting, and the person who has fake evidence, he will only be listened. Only journal will not be listened.
Amit, so first of all, Lavali, I want to clear some kind of rules of UGC.
Yeah.
In that, there is a duration of 15 days where they will analyze everything, and there would be 10 members, including journal too.
Yeah.
Okay, and it is not only opposed of the journal category of people. It is all for everyone. If you are getting any kind of bullying by anyone, even you are from general
So,
category, still you can go to that commission and you can like file any kind of partition against that person. It doesn't matter from which caste, from which place you are.
But as everyone was saying that this act was made for SC and ST and OBC, so why are including journals and upper caste people and students?
Arey yaar, they are not including a general caste. They have some upper right. They are some superior. That's why for making equal. That's why they are balancing it. for giving some such kind of rights to ST, OBC. For
So
the
what-
balance they are doing.
So what about the aggression and what about the insulting of the constitution? What about it?
It is not insulting of the constitution because
How is it not
it is
a-
about balancing, and it is also a part of constitution. So if it would be a
Now everyone will give their point of view. Okay. One by one.
Who wants
Uh,
to speak?
We will start from Nikhil. Nikhil wanted to speak for so long.
But take from there.
So in my dictionary, UGC is very worst law because whenever I see a general people, he study more. But why this law? They are not being able to clear their exam because they have scared. They are scaring because they know if I study more, so why this law? I will not be able to clear that exam. And if anyone wants to say, like, if anyone is saying general is very higher caste, so you can also become a higher. If you do hard work, so you can also.
Okay. Next, who would like to? Yes, Naman. Give it to Naman, then Harsh.
So in my perspective, it is not good for us. Like we can take example of who study in hostel. So many students they study in hostel and they keep ragging other caste. What they do? Who are Jalan and who are other caste? They keep ragging and they keep teasing them by which they get suicide. That's it.
Okay, Harsh.
Okay, what I personally think that the UGC Act is not that much good. Like as you all are saying that it is good. Why am I saying that? I have an example of the boys. Like they usually tease boys just for having a fun. Due to that, the friend even can also file application against that his friend and you all were saying about this. You all were saying about the UGC Act. You do not. Sorry. Okay. What I personally think that UGC Act is bad. Why am I saying like have an example of the OBC and SC/ST in Paris, like they had a little power, but if at all now, yeah, they have also the power. Even they can do crime and still they will not be treated as the victim.
Okay.
So in my point of view, I think that the UGC Act is not good for us because I think that the OBC and SC and SC people they are having only it is discrimination for general people because if I talk about they said unite and they talk about we are uniting the country, so it should be for everyone. If I talk about gender, it is discrimination for them. And it is also the OBC people, OBC, ST and SC people, they can file the case in general people. Even they don't have any evidence, they can do that. So it is not good for general people. I think it is not good.
Next, Abdul. Give it to Abdul.
So what do I personally believe that they all are saying that it is a bad law, but it is not. It is not only targeting casteism. It is also targeting the color. The tease about color at all. The tease about birthplace. Like you can have an example of Northeast people. They are treated as Chinese. They all are called as Chinese, but we do not see their caste. We do not ask them, are you from SC, ST and OBC? We just say that you are Chinese. So it is not only for targeting casteism. It is also for color and birthplace too.
Okay, next, who would like to speak? Yes. Amit Shah.
So I think UGC Act is not good.
Go there and look here.
UGC Act is not good as much as you are thinking because there are some demerits in UGC Act, like if you see the community which we have organizing to observe the university students, in this you will not find a general from general caste, you will not find any member. And the second thing, which if I talk about the parallel UGC Act, in which if someone said something that if I tell that he was discriminating with me, so definitely I will, if I am true, so definitely I will not give any kind of penalty. If I am speak false, so definitely I will have to give some penalty. But it has demolished it has demolished before 1 and 2 days. So definitely it is not good.
Next, who would like to speak? Yes. Speak, whoever.
Okay, so from my perspective, I already have mentioned that UGC Act is very vast because we all want a developed country. But even now, in our fundamental rights, it has also written that right to equality. But what government is doing, they are doing even now, even knowing everything, they are doing discrimination among caste and all color. And many of the people they were mentioning a point about color, and also there must be someone some acts about that thing, like if someone is teasing you, so you can file a case about that person. It must not be written like you are from SC, Journal and OBC or whatever you are. There must not be about caste. There must be a act about a humanity. If someone is saying you something else, so you can file a case, not about your personal grudges and something else. So it's from my perspective, of course, it is very bad.
Next, who would like to speak? Himanshu.
So, in my point of view, UGC Act is a worst act ever because each and every act is supporting ST, SC, OBC, like reservation and new UGC Act, that is also. And if we say in a fun, so they will also say that I got hurt and I am going to university means principal, like, so that is too bad. That's it.
Okay, so in my book, UGC Act is too good because if I talk about the caste discrimination, it is just for the stop the caste discrimination among the SC, ST student. Because if I talk about the journal student, it has happened. The many colleges, they always discrimination just because of the caste. But if I talk about the UGC Act, it also has some demerits, because if I talk about the UGC Act, there is nothing about the journal, and it has become a political issue rather than a personal protective law, and it can set all the students against to each other. So I think that it is good, but it also has some demerits too.
So what do I personally think that they have implemented this rule? That's whatever I have said in debate, I just said because of speaking. But if I talk about my personal opinion, that's very bad how like they have implemented to show they are saying that we need to unite them, but still they are separating them. This is the total discrimination, and that's the reality why government has implemented this to get the votes. And that's the reality. They think like while getting the votes from those castes which are so low and so low, they want to get votes. That's why they have implemented. By the way, on the other hand, they want to unite India, and on the other hand, they have implemented these kind of rules which are dividing India. That's why India can never develop because of these kind of rules. So I would say because of getting the rules, they have getting the election and votes and something. That's the tragedy of government. That's nothing. Rule is very worst.
Okay, so
I'm saying go and grab the mic.
Okay, so if I talk about my point of view, definitely this rule actually is very good, because we all know this kind of policies always have been passed in the legislation assembly, and in the legislation assembly there are lots of people, they are from the general category, and we all know about that, and definitely they will not gonna pass any kind of rule against them. And if I talk about other terms, so there is not only they are talking about caste at all, they are talking about body shaming, this kind of all stuff, racism, black and color discrimination, this all stuff they are talking about, in that a person get mentally disturbed. So for stopping this kind of stuff, because nowadays mental stability is too much important. So that's why for maintaining this kind of stuff, or for removing this kind of thoughts from the people's mind, so that's why we need this kind of stuff to implement, because we all know India is that kind of country where we need some kind of strict rules, otherwise they will not amend themselves. So that's why this rule is good.
I think that UGC Act is not so good because it is like a dirty politics, divide and rule. And because of this act, I have already said that general categories people, they would think that government is not doing anything for us. And if our government intentions were to demolish casteism and they wanted to make everybody equal, why didn't they take the step to demolish the casteism, that no caste certificates will work now onwards and every caste is equal. There is no casteism in India, but they chose to give powers to SC, ST caste or OBC caste and PWD person with disabilities, not the general caste. So I think that this is dirty politics and this is not good act.
So in my point of view, that act is too good because parallel time journal used to discriminate with OBC, ST and SC, but now we are facing karma that parallel we used to means journal used to discriminate them and now they are discriminating.
So in my point of view, UGC is bad because if I am general, so anyone's they are like OBC, they are OBC, ST and SC. If they are jealousing from me, after that they beat ourselves. They will beat ourselves, and then they will go in prison, and they will do file that from me. They will do case file from me. Then police will come in my home. Then I will go in prison, and they will punish me. That's it.
So in my point of view, UGC Act is very bad because if government wants to, they cancel the casteism because all people are equal, so they must say human being. Why they are always say casteism and UGC, what we call casteism.
Okay, next.
Who wants to?
So in my vision, of course, UGC Act is very bad because we know like why we are considering the people as a caste, as a religion, as a colors. Why we should have an example, like we should see the humanity, and we should look the people all are same and everyone has two eyes, two hands, like all are the same, right? Why? Because we are making some kind of acts by which we are humiliating even the person, because by the which act they will think about, okay, I am SC, or somewhere or the other they will think about their humiliation too. Like because of this kind of act they are getting the reservation, but somewhere or the other they are humiliating themselves too. So of course we should not have these kind of acts, because if we want to really implement our country and really we want to grow, so we should make some kind of humanity app by which the people can get some of the good rights. And I think like government, they are making these kind of act because of to grabbing the votes only. Thank you.
So this UGC Act is not good for, it's bad. Just because of that UGC Act, anyone can misuse this act because of if they have personal grudges to that any other person, so they can take action, they can file against the case, and they can spoil that person career too. Just because of that UGC Act, they can in this act too, they don't want any evidence for that if they have done this or not. They will, if they say that they have done this, so they will file the case against that person and they will take action against that. In 15 days no one can do anything for that, and they will take action and then can spoil that person career too. It's not good for us.
Okay.
So I think why UGC Act is not good, because the BJP party said that also the reservation, we will end the reservation, but now they haven't end the reservation, and even they said that they implement the UGC Act, so it is not good for us. And the OBC, SC and SC people, they are getting power, and the general people, they are not getting any kind of power.
So in my view, UGC Act is not good because government wants us to fight, because if they could really, if they really wanted to remove this, so they could directly remove OBC journal, these kind of things. But no, they want a fight. It seems as that before journal was upper, now ST and these things are upper. Either now it seems as this that you have government came and they have given pistol to ST and OBC, that now you can easily kill journal people. So that's
Okay.
So what do I personally say that I do not foster any casteism. Yeah, I do not foster any caste at all. If it's about SC, ST and OBC, if it's about journal, I want to say that if there are many acts for ST and SC, OBC, so there must also be act for journals. In the journal caste, there are also many poor people. There are also many, you can say, we say that journals are rich, but in the reality they are not. They also have to suffer the poverty. They also have to suffer the starvation and this kind of conditions they have to face. But still we say that they are the most richest people in our India. But SC and OBC, ST, they are the richest. They are more richer than the SC journal caste. So I don't foster them.
Okay, Daniel, sir, last.
So what do I think that UGC Act is so worst for our education? What do I think? Because if we talk about, like, they have talked about so many things, it's all about body shaming. It's all about color discrimination. Okay, but as they mentioned, objective, there was not any mentioning about general caste. They only showed only scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes. There was not any mentions about general caste. Secondly, if it's all about disabilities and it's all about color discrimination, if the person is not if the person is disabled, if the person is able to do anything, but he is still being criticized and he is being discrimination, so there is no any beneficial things for him. Secondly, if you talk about suicide case, like there are so many people who have been suicide just because of this discrimination. What do I think that if you join anything, whether school, university, whatever it is, you have to manage that both things you have to face, negative and positive. It's all about you. How do you do that? Why do you let your taunts and let your discrimination overpower your goals? What do I think? Because if I join something else, I am also SC. If I join something and somebody bullies me, that's not about I am coming here for taunting and for discrimination. I am coming here for my goals, which I will fulfill. So it's all about how do you manage and why do you give them. I want to say one thing. Someone you are giving spoon to eat, but somebody, and on the other hand, you are cutting somebody's hands to not to eat food. I'm not understanding these things. I don't think so. Government is doing such thing. And if there's one thing. If our government has that much hunger for justice, why doesn't it solve those situations which is so complex in a country like Jharkhand? People you can talk about, they are disabled. Why? Just because nuclear stuffs. And we are talking about there were so many rapists. Still they are hovering here and there, but we nobody talks about that. They only want to education because they want votes.